Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your GoCardless account password. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to GoCardless. If you don't know how you can find it, you can go to the Google search bar and search for GoCardless and you will find it. And what you need to do now is sign in to your GoCardless account. If you don't have your account, you can sign up for GoCardless anytime. Sign into your account. Now, what you need to do is go to settings and click on user settings. Scroll a bit down and you must find change your password. Now what you need to do is write down your password. You can change your password here. To keep your account secure, it must be at least 12 characters long. So you must write down a new password for yourself which is at least 12 characters long, and make sure you have the capital letter, some special words and some numbers in it. So check your password once by clicking on this icon over here. Click Save Changes. Now what you need to do is write down your current password for security issues. Make sure your current password is correct. Check your password once by clicking here and click Submit. Wait for a while, and in a while your password has been changed. So you can see that it is identified as a data breach or something like that. Click on Submit once again. Wait for a while, and if it is not changing, you can click on Save Changes once again and you can write down your current password over here. Check it, click Submit, and then your password will be changed. So if your password is not changing, it is because the password you have written over here is quite similar to the password you want to change. So if this does not work, just go ahead and reload the page and try it again, because the internet issues might have some kind of problems for your GoCardless. So go ahead and write down your new password, check your password, click Save Changes and write down your current password and then click Submit. In a while, your password will be changed. So you can see that your password has successfully been changed. So guys, this is how you can change your password on your GoCardless account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.